Hello everyone, welcome back again. In this video, we will be discussing who needs PAL, which is Provincial Attestation Letter, and when do you need this. This video is specific for those who wants to extend their study permit. So in this video, I will show you how to upload this Provincial Attestation Letter, who needs Provincial Attestation Letter, and how to write a Provincial Attestation Letter. I will also provide format of Provincial Attestation Letter at the end of this video, and you can use this format based on your requirement. Now at first let's discuss where do you need Provincial Attestation Letter and why do you need Provincial Attestation Letter during the visa extension process. After you complete your visa extension form, you will be taken to this page where you will upload various different documents which include IMM 5709 and other supporting documents like PAL, letter of acceptance, passport and other documents. So as you can see here, this Provincial Attestation Letter is required. So unless you upload certain file in this section, you will not be allowed to pay fees and apply your visa extension. So before providing the format for Provincial Attestation Letter, I would like to take you to the website which explains who needs Provincial Attestation Letter and who doesn't need it. So this is the website that explains about the Provincial Attestation Letter and its necessity. The link of this website will be mentioned in the description below. Please go through this website carefully so that you can identify whether you need the Provincial Attestation Letter or not for your extension. So if you go down, this section will summarize everything which has been told above. And if you go little below, this will also explain who doesn't need the PAL or TAL. So please go through this section and identify whether you need PAL or not. If you don't need PAL also, you have to write a letter, and in that letter you have to explain why you don't need PAL. So you must identify the reason why you don't need PAL. This section summarizes everything about PAL. For example, let me provide you a little bit of explanation. So if you are changing your course from secondary level to secondary level, then you don't need PAL. Or if you are changing your course from graduate level to graduate level, then also you will not need PAL. But if you are changing your designated learning institute or if you are changing your course completely, you may need PAL, and it also depends upon your case. So after carefully going through this website, find the reason for the exemption of PAL. Then after that, I will show you the format where you can explain your case and then upload that later into IRCC portal. Now let's go back to the letter. So this is the letter that you will need to provide to the IRCC. So at first, start with date and then give your subject, your name, your date of birth, your UCI number and your citizenship, and write the explanation as shown in this PAL exemption letter. In my case, I have transferred to PhD program from master's program, and both master's and PhD falls in graduate category. So I don't need PAL in my case, and my designated learning institute is also same. So I don't need PAL in my case, which I have explained in this description here. So you can use this format, and with this letter you also attach a copy of your current study permit and your transcript. At last you provide your hand signature, your name, your address, your email address and your phone number. And then you can submit this letter to the IRCC. After completion of this letter, you upload this letter at this section here, and then you can submit your application. So if you need any help, please comment so that we can help you out. Thank you so much for watching. Stay subscribed. Thank you.